Hello guys, well basically I'm doing a feedback, you can call it, regarding a pipe repair kit. It's called Rectorseal. Rectorseal. You see? According to the instruction, it was supposed to come with an extra certified Rectorseal EP200 epoxy putty, but it basically didn't come with. So what I end up doing, I only am doing a step one, and I actually clean up the area, and I used number three, and I did a step number four, and especially right now the winter, it went up to 8 degrees, so 8 degrees was really cold. As you can see, I have to break up the line because it was leaking. It was around here, so right now it should be it should be sealed. So I'm gonna give it a shot to see, to see how it works. You see, that's the line. This is the line. So this is actually, as you can see, is, I tried my best, and I'm gonna give you a feedback. Let's see it. I'm gonna try to turn on the water line and see how it works. All right, just give me a second. I'm gonna get back to you. Thank you. Okay, give me a second. As you can see, I was supposed to start to test it as